Welcome to Accounting Brew, where boring numbers become your daily cup of clarity. Today's topic, what is an expense? Let's get started. Here's the textbook definition. Who writes this stuff? Let me put it simply. An expense is the money spent to earn revenue. In your coffee shop, expenses are the money you have to spend to keep things running smoothly. For example, the rent you pay for the shop, the coffee beans and milk you buy, the wages you pay your employees, your utility bills and internet fees. These are all the costs you need to cover to keep your coffee shop open, attract customers, and eventually make money. They're all called expenses. Many people think that as long as you spend money, it's an expense. But that's not always true. For example, if you buy a coffee machine, yes, you spent money, but it lasts for years. It's not used up right away. So it's an asset, not an expense. A real expense is something that's used up quickly, like coffee beans, utility bills, or employee wages. Expenses are like daily pages on a calendar. They're used up one day at a time, and you can't reuse them.